I'm Caitlin.
And I'm Kaylin.
And this is Mixed Girl Problems. Hey, what's up? I'm Felicia Neek. It ain't with no F, it's with a P, okay? I'll spell it out for you. PHELISHANIKQU'. Don't get it twisted, I ain't no white girl, I'm a light skin. Okay? Okay.
Hey, boom. What's up, girl? My name is Guadalupe Pingadrisha. If you want to know how to spell it, okay, GUADALOWPINKADRISHA. Don't get it twisted, boo. Okay, yes, my mama like the color pink, and I do too. Even though I ain't wearing it, I can still rock it. Okay, it's not team light skin up in here, boo. It is team dark skin. Yeah, ain't nobody ready for that. Ain't nobody ready for that. So what's happened so far?
Okay, so this baby. Its mama didn't want this baby, and so 18 years later, this baby came back and found out who his mama was, and he got a machete with some thorns on it, and he got splinters and all, but he didn't even care. So,
oh, I heard about this movie. It's called When Babies Come Back and Strike Again.
Yeah.
Yes, I heard
that's
about
what it is.
Run, girl,
Hey girl, you like this shirt?
I think that's a baby skirt.
Are you sure? I think it's a shirt.
We can turn it, but we can turn it.
You right, girl. You right. I'm working it.
Yes, you is, girl. Come on, girl. Come on.
I'm coming.
Come on. I like it. I like the little, tape.
That's a baby skirt.
Who is girl talking to?
I know she ain't
First of all,
right
I know
now.
she ain't wearing no grandma shirt with her saggy titties, okay? Don't nobody do that no more. And
I
she
know.
looks disgusting. You don't do that. Advice to all, you don't do that.
No, never.
You gotta have class.
Like,
I'm not gonna pull about her 3 little deep braids in her hair.
Hold on.
She don't know what she's doing.
Did I not just tell you before? That is a skirt.
No, I'm getting up now.
No.
You don't know that.
You lucky. You come here. I got to Sarah Catherine White here. Jesse Jones here. This name is just so hard to pronounce. Felicia Nike Davis.
Why can't I get my name right? Look, this is every day. It's Felicia Neek. Now, whatever you said. Dang.
Guadalupe. Ooh, this is just so ratchet. So ratchet. Guadalupe Pink. Adrisha. Quarter pounder. Why do you always act like I don't tell you this every day? It's Guadalupe Pingadrisha. Say it with me. Guadalupe Pingadrisha. And it's not quarter pound. No, it's quarter pounder. Do not get me in a mood, boo. I am not in the mood. I'm trying to get my work done because you be trying to fail me. Ain't nobody got time for that. Class dismissed. Oh my gosh, we look so ratchet.
I know.
This clip took forever to do.
3.5 hours.
Yes. Hopefully it was worth it.
All for you.
All for you. Well, I'm Kaylin.
I'm Caitlin, and this is
Mixed Girl Problems.
Bye.
Wait, try to take the jacket off first. Yeah, try to take that off. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, you got it from the top.
Okay, so.
What to say?
I
You
forgot
forgot
the
the know.
That's
Ew. Pink. Ooh, sorry. My bad. Pink. Come on. Okay. sorry. Okay.